Hey, Adam Duvander from Every Developer, and I'm wanting to show you some stuff inside the Developer Company Examples gallery. And in particular, today, what I want to do is look at one of the examples, which is Plaid, and some of the things that you can learn because they do a lot right. So the first thing is, you might notice this isn't a particularly developer-focused message. The safer way for people to connect financial accounts to an app. Maybe that's a developer thing, but I think one of the reasons for this message has a lot to do with this up here too, which is a lot of times consumers are trying to add an account and they're at a bank and the bank connects to this Plaid thing and they're going, what the heck is this Plaid thing? So I think Plaid is having to kind of thread the needle there, knowing that they actually have this huge audience that is looking at them that will never be a customer but needs to understand what they do. So I think that might be one of the reasons behind that, but they make it really clear here with the Get API keys and the Start Building with Plaid's APIs, right? These sorts of messages remind the developer that they're in the right place. Of course, it helps that they also have a For Developers menu there as well. But let's actually explore this a little bit more and pull up their actual site here. So one of the things I really like is they put use cases front and center. So you can get an idea of, and these aren't particularly developer focused, but you can get an idea of what you can build with Plaid and which areas you can build within. And they actually have a really great version of this inside their docs as well. They call these products, but which I don't necessarily like, but notice here that they talk about the things like these use cases that you can actually do. Retrieve bank account information, right? These sorts of, here's how you use it. And then they actually go in and truly pull out use cases here and connect them back to these products. Auth to fetch account, right? So all of these things within these sort of industry segments and use cases here that they're really pulling out and making super clear, like the problems that you actually solve, not just this kind of, here's what this API does. So that's something that I really love about Plaid. They go on to just have great examples kind of at every turn. This, a very Stripe-esque ability to pull in code examples in the language that you want so that you can quickly copy paste and get something going in your own app. Then headed back to their homepage. I like this little block. It looks like code. I mean, it is technically HTML and a little script tag. Shows a little bit about how easy it can be to integrate. Seems like an opportunity to even have some code within there. If they're going to have something that looks code-like on the homepage, maybe they could do more. Pull you right into their API docs here if you want. And then again, hammering home these sort of areas where you might build and actually pulling you deeper in. Not a big fan of contact sales, but talking about the problem, being able to show what they have for a solution. And then again, like real use cases here coming in. And this little message, hey, look at that. Adjust browsing. Go away. That's nice. But isn't it also nice that they have one that's about start building? So as a dev, I know what I need to get ready. And it's probably not to contact sales. But these are some of the things I like about Plaid. You can pull some of these straight from their homepage and many of the other examples we have in the developer companies gallery.